Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can install Epic Games Launcher on any Mac. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's very easy and basic on how you can install or download Epic Games Launcher on any MacBook. What you have to do is just follow through these steps. So you can just simply open Safari or Chrome, and then you can just search Epic Games Launcher Mac download, or just directly go to www.epicgames.com/store. So once you're in right over here, is as you can see, it says also available on Mac OS. So you can just simply press on this download option right over here. Once you press on it, it will begin downloading. So you just gotta download the installer and then click download as I showed, and it will automatically download. And then open the installer file, go to Finder and then downloads. Double click on Epic Games Installer.dmg. A window will open showing the Epic Games Launcher icon. And after that, move Epic Games Launcher to Applications. As you know, the MacBook works like that. You just gotta move the Epic Games Launcher to Applications and then drag the Epic, as I told you, and then wait for the copying to finish, and then open Epic Games Launcher and then go to Applications and then double click on the Epic Games Launcher. Allow security permissions that are important on Mac. And after that, if you see app can be opened it from an unidentified developer, you can do this, open system settings and then go to privacy and security, scroll down, click allow anyway, next to Epic Games Launcher, and then open again. Then you can just sign in or log in into your account using Google, PlayStation, etc., and then start downloading games. Once the launcher opens, you can just install Mac supported games. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this really helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.